Hello everybody, Mr. Kaczynski with you. Section O of IXL's 8th grade math. We're going to work with bisected line segments and angles today. Pretty simple concept. Alright, so L is a midpoint. Alright, if it's a midpoint, that means that it is bisecting KM. And that means that KL's measure is equal to LM's measure. Alright, KL, this, is equal to LM, this. So if KL is 19, then LM is also 19 inches. We're being asked what's the measure of KM. Well, that would just be 19 times 2, which is 38 inches. CE is 54 centimeters long. Point D is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. If Jason measured the length of CD, then what result will he get? Well, it should be half of 54. So instead of multiplying by 2 this time, we'll just divide by 2, and that would be 27 centimeters. So 27 centimeters here. 27 centimeters here, that would add up to 54. It's the definition of a midpoint. After bisecting an angle measuring 53.1 degrees, Ari has two angles. What's the measure of each new angle? Similar idea here with an angle. We'll take that 53.1 degrees and divide it by 2, which will give us 26.55 degrees. So this angle and this angle are both 26.55 because bisect means cut in half, which means each one will be equal to the other. And they'll add up to 53.1. An angle is bisected, forming two new angles. Each angle has a measure of 64. What's the measure of the original angle? Well, it would just be 64 degrees for each one, times 2, which would be 128 degrees for the original angle that was bisected to create the two 64-degree angles. And after bisecting an angle measuring 29.2, Troy has two angles. What's the measure of each new angle? Well, it would be that 29.2 divided by 2 in this case. And 29.2 divided by 2 is 14.6 degrees. So basically, you're either multiplying by 2 or dividing by 2, depending on whether you're trying to find the original length or the new length of the bisected line segment or angle. That's all there is to this one. Quick one. Good luck.